Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how you can use MidJourney to create stunning album covers and visuals that truly represent your music. Whether you're an independent artist or part of a band, these tips will help you craft visuals that resonate with your sound. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you enhance your musical visuals. Let's jump right in. First things first, every great album cover starts with a strong concept that reflects the essence of your music. It's essential to translate the emotions and stories in your songs into a visual form that listeners can connect with at first glance. Now let's use MidJourney to brainstorm some ideas based on your album's theme. For example, let's say if your album is about like urban solitude, we can create a prompt that captures that feeling. Think about the key elements that define your album's mood. Is it melancholic, energetic, introspective? Well, identifying these will help in crafting a more precise prompt. And now, here is the prompt that I'll be using. So let's say right here, a solitary figure walking through a neon lit cityscape at night, reflecting urban solitude, moody colors, cinematic style, with an aspect ratio, let's say 16:9, right here. And so this is my prompt right here. So by specifying elements like neon lit cityscape and moody colors right here, we're guiding MidJourney to generate images that align with our theme. Now, let's send this prompt and see what MidJourney comes up with. Okay, now it's submitted right here. MidJourney will then generate several variations right over here. Now, look for elements that resonate with your album's message and see what it can do with here and see what's best that capture the vibe you're aiming for. All right. Now it's generated right here. Here we go. See right here, these visuals give us a solid foundation to build upon. See right here, matches the prompt down to the visual right here. There we go. This ensures our album cover aligns perfectly with the music's narrative. So notice how the solitary figure and the neon lights immediately convey a sense of isolation within an urban environment. See? Pretty cool, huh? Next, it's time to infuse your personal touch into the album cover. This could be anything from your logo, favorite symbols, or elements that represent your musical style. Adding these unique details ensures that your album cover stands out and is instantly recognizable as yours. Let's say you want to include a vintage microphone to highlight your retro sound. Now, a vintage microphone can symbolize a classic or retro musical style, adding depth and personality to your cover. It's all about making the visual a true reflection of your musical identity. Now, here's a prompt right here. So, there we go. A vintage microphone in the center of a retro themed album cover. There are also warm color palette, textured background, incorporating subtle musical notes, and there's the aspect ratio of 1:1, also known as a square aspect ratio. Okay, now by adding specific elements like the vintage microphone, as usual, and the musical notes right here, we ensure the album cover not only looks professional, but also tells a story about your music. Now, let's generate this and see how it turns out. Okay. Now, the images are now currently being rendered by MidJourney right here. So after that, then we could evaluate how well these elements are integrated. So let's see. All right. And here is the result right there. Wow, look at these results. The vintage microphone here is beautifully centered. Hold on. There we go. See? See the quality here? And the warm color palette right there gives the cover a nostalgic feel. See right here? Let's look at the other examples right there and the other results. Yeah, all four of these are evenly rendered here. These elements work together to create a cohesive and meaningful album cover. See the musical notes, see warm color palette, textured background, all fits well. Nice. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that we have our basic concept and personal elements, let's explore different artistic styles to find the perfect match for your album's mood. Whether you prefer minimalist designs or intricate illustrations, MidJourney has you covered. Experimenting with various styles can help you discover the unique aesthetic that best complements your music. Consider what visual style best represents your genre. Let's say for a pop album, you might want something vibrant and eye catching, whereas for a metal album, a darker, more intense design might be appropriate. So here's an example prompt, let's say for a minimalist style. So with minimalist, designs are great for creating a sleek and modern look without distracting from the album's message. Although there's another prompt that would focus on a more intricate style to see how it changes the overall feel of the cover. Well, intricate styles can add depth and complexity in contrast to the minimalist design, that is. With, let's say, intricate designs, it might be perfect for genres like progressive rock or jazz. So here are the prompts that right here. There we go. There's one right here for the minimalist and another one right here for the intricate. Let's separately submit these over. So here it is for a minimalist. Right here focuses on abstract geometric shapes, monochromatic color schemes, clean lines, blah, blah, yada, yada, yada. Okay, let's submit this over. And then one for intricate design. Fantasy, vibrant colors, surreal elements. All right, let's send this over. Hold on. How about I just go over there and send this now? There we go. Okay. So now it's starting. There we go. As you can see, with the minimalist cover, it offers a clean and modern look. As you can see right here. See? There we go. The lines, the geometric shapes. One right here. See how sleek it is. Another one right here. And another one right here. See? Now for the intricate fantasy and landscape, right there, it provides a rich and immersive visual experience. See right here, the difference between the two, how it contrasts with each other. So both styles have their unique strengths right here. So you can choose, all depends on your interest, the one that best aligns with your musical identity. See? And there you have it, a professional looking album cover created with the help of MidJourney that truly represents your music.